If your videos on x.com, formerly Twitter, look blurry or low quality, don't worry, because there's a quick fix you can try right inside the video player. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix low quality videos on x.com or Twitter by changing the playback settings to the highest available resolution. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how sharp and clear the video looks. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and go to the video that you want to watch. Once the video is on your screen, tap or click on the video to bring up the playback controls. If you don't see the controls right away, just tap once more so the options appear. Now look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear. This is where you can change the video quality settings. After you tap the gear icon, a menu should appear with different playback options. In that menu, look for the resolution or quality setting. You may see several available options depending on the video and your internet connection. To get the clearest possible picture, select the highest available resolution from the list. In many cases, this will instantly improve the video quality and make it look much sharper. If the video still looks low quality after changing the setting, give it a moment to reload. Sometimes x.com automatically adjusts quality based on your connection speed, so it may take a few seconds for the higher resolution to fully kick in. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because a weak connection can force the video to stay on a lower quality setting. Another helpful tip is to try watching the video in full screen after selecting the highest resolution. That can make it easier to see whether the quality has improved. If you are on mobile, you can also try closing and reopening the app, then going back to the video and setting the quality again. So the quick fix is really simple. Click on the video, tap the settings gear icon, and choose the highest available resolution. That's the fastest way to improve low quality video playback on x.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.